What's up, guys? So I'm gonna give a fast update of the VivoSun Grow Tent. I just want to show how it works off my phone, how I control the light and the inlet fan. It's an app that works off my phone, and I'll show you guys the control system on the outside and just give a fast walkthrough how I kind of just operate my system and some of the features. But before I go any further, if you enjoy this type of content, remember to drop a like. And yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how it operates. It just looks a little bit blurry on my phone right now, but on the app, it tells you the temperature, the humidity, everything you need to know what's going on in your grow tent. But if you have, well, this is the VivoSun inlet fan. I don't know if I'm saying that correctly, but you could see it's right here on the app. It says duct fan, and if you turn it up, you hear me turn it up there, and it comes on. I have it on manual. I'm gonna turn it off right now. I have mine's on manual. They have cycle, auto, recipes. So there's different programs you could run on the app. Sorry if it's a little bit blurry. And let me go back here. So for the lighting, I just turned it up for now so I could do this video on the lighting. Let me go here. You can see if I turn it down, it dimmed inside here. I'll go back on my phone. It's back up. That one's off. And that light, it's a Aglex, but it works with the VivoSun control system on the outside. And it's the same thing here. I could put it on cycles depending on what stage the plant's in. It has seedling, vegetation, flowering, and then they also have recipes like how long you want it to run, like different grow times. So it all depends on how you want to set up your system, what you're growing inside your grow tent. But I thought that was a little cool feature I would like to share. Let me turn that back up here. Yeah, and that's some of the features they do have for here. The circulation fan, and it would be like one of these fans basically, and it would operate off the app. I don't have one of the fans, but that's also something you could get, and it works off the app. And then you see I have my grow tent right there. Yeah, everything's coming along pretty good so far. And I have a bunch more stuff outside. I just took out some so I could do this video fast. But if you enjoy the content, hit that like button, and I'm gonna show you guys the control system on the outside. So I have to kind of do it on an angle. If I point it directly, it's blurry. So I have to do it on an angle, and you could control it off here too, but this allows you to control it off your phone. So this is the control system on the outside also. But that's the update so far. Let me know what you think of the tent. If you want to see my gardening updates this season, let me know in the comments. But that is the update, and until next time, take care.